YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's Demograffix, aka Dirty Dems, and today I'm at a lovely Georgian house. In Tring. It's a very grand house, and I'm doing a so we're doing somebody that is very well known. We're doing some replica artwork today and some authentic graffiti art. So the two genres collide, street art and graffiti art, and it's going to be in a home gym. So yeah, before I get started, I'm just going to enjoy my coffee and the stunning views behind me in the field of the cows. So I've masked off the wall, the skirting, put the sheets down, got the fan, just setting that up now to go out the window. So, got the initial sketch on for the graffiti lettering. Made a bit of a mistake with proportion, started off with the light blue sketch outline, then went back with dark blue, and then I made a spelling mistake because I'm dyslexic, and I spelled it Banksy, but I put the K and the S and the Y in there now. But yeah, I had to push it all over that way to fit it in, and it's going in a diagonal, and then in the bottom here we'll have a stenciled character with a balloon and a monkey up here. Okay, so got the fill in, nice funky bright colours. We use some fluoro as well to make them pop on the edges. Then I'm going to use like a baby blue, matte blue in the loop, and make it a solid chunky 3D, and maybe some white highlights to make the letters pop. And then I'm going to do the characters. So there's a saying in life, if the shoe fits, wear it. They're calling me the Stevenage Banksy or the Hertfordshire Banksy. And today I'm writing the gym of Banksy, and I'm going to have some Banksy characters there. But yeah, why not? Likening you to somebody that's good or respected, then I'm happy to be in that category and to be put in the same description box as somebody that's respected. Right, so that's it. The gym of Banksy completed. I've enjoyed working here at this £2.5 million Georgian house, manor house, and the artwork is fitting for the location and the client. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace.